So here we are with Android, and today we're going to demonstrate how to hide the status bar, which is at the top here, as well as the navigation bar at the bottom when taking a screenshot or doing a screen recording. Now, quick side note, I am performing this tutorial on a Samsung device. This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, so depending on your device, your results may vary. So this is helpful for two reasons. First, if we hide the status bar, again, that's the one at the top here, that's going to hide any information, and that could be helpful if there is sensitive information up there that you don't want shown in your screenshot or your screen recording. And second, if we hide that status bar along with, again, that navigation bar at the bottom there, that's going to create a cleaner screenshot or screen recording. Now, as you've noticed, I've said screenshot and screen recording, and I've been experimenting with this, and I did have a little bit of an issue here. When it came to screen recordings, the navigation and status bars, or really the status bar only, would disappear momentarily, but then it would come back, and that kind of defeats the purpose. So I'm wondering if this is a software issue, and hopefully it can be updated through an update. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the demonstration. So we're going to start by swiping down from the top of the display once, and that shows some of our quick settings. But you may have to swipe down again to expose a bigger list of quick settings. And we're going to look for the screen recorder option. Now, if you don't see it here, you may have to scroll to the next page. And if you still don't see it, you may have to add it to the quick setting icons. And that's done by tapping on the pencil in the top right hand corner. And then we can edit either the top or the full quick settings icons. Again, that top is when you swipe down just once, and the full is when you swipe down twice. Now, I'm just going to quickly demonstrate if we didn't have it in the full, so I'm going to tap edit. And this is going to refresh the page. So we're going to have a top portion and then a bottom portion. Now, interesting enough, you can delete icons from the quick settings panel by tapping on the icon. So we're going to actually remove the screen recorder, tap on that, now that's gone. And if we didn't have it and we wanted to add it back, we would just look in this bottom portion here for the icon, and then we would tap it when we see it, and that's going to add it back to the top portion into the quick setting icon there. And interesting enough, you can move these around if you press and hold. You can reorganize, but we're just going to keep it there. Most importantly, when your reconfiguration is done here, you want to tap done to save the configuration. And then we can back out of here. So again, we're going to start by swiping down from the top of the display once. And again, we don't see the screen recorder icon here, so we're going to swipe down again. And then we're going to swipe here because it's not on this page here. And then we're going to see our screen recorder icon. Now, before we interact with it, there's something really cool here with Android. If you press and hold on a lot of these quick setting icons, you get extra settings that you can play around with. So we're going to do that with the screen recorder icon. We're going to press and hold on it. Now, this is going to open a new page titled Screenshots and Screen Recordings. And there's going to be some extra features here that might be helpful that you can play with in your spare time. But again, the focus here is hiding the status and navigation bars when taking a screenshot or screen recording. So you'll see that we have the option right here, hide status and navigation bars. Right now I disabled it, but if you want to enable it, you just would want to make sure that the slider is highlighted blue. So we'll go ahead and do that here. Now, once you have this feature enabled, again, it works great for screenshots, but not so much for screen recordings during the research of this video. Again, I'm hoping that changes with a software update, but this does promise, and again, it's underneath screenshots and screen recordings, to hide the status and navigation bars. So it should hide the status and navigation bar when screen recording as well. But that is it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.